Hello students, today our topic is HTML, and in this lecture we are going to discuss some question answer related to HTML, and these questions are asked in previous year board examination. Let us start. This question is asked in CBSE 2012. So let us see. Carefully study the web page given below and identify 10 tags, structural as well as formatting tags that have been utilized in creating this web page and write the uses of each of them. So we have to find the 10 tags that are used in this web page. Let us see the web page. Okay, that is the web page given here. You can easily see here, first of all, title is there, title of the web page is there. Okay, so title of the web page is there. After that, you can easily see that heading is there, image is there, and again a small heading is also there. Table with caption is there, and in table we can see that there is a difference between different cells. Okay, so cell spacing concept is used in this HTML web page. So these are the some key points which we notice when we see this web page. Now let us write all the text one by one. First of all, it should be very clear that two texts are always there when this type of question is asked. First one is title, okay, because title is always there, and second is body, because we write all the coding related to HTML within the body tag. So body tag should be used. So two tags are always there. So out of 10, we easily know that two tags must be there, that is title tag and the body tag. Now let us see. And second important thing is that whenever there is a table, that means we have three tags, because when we create a table, then uh, creation of a table is basically done by using table tag, and there must be row, so tr tag must be used, and within a row data must be there, so td tag must be used. So at least three tags must be there whenever there is a table in a web page. And second important thing, if there is a heading of the table is also there, then at that time four tags we can easily get four tags regarding to table. So now let us see what are the different tags here that are used. First of all, title tag, as I told you, the title tag is there, and title tag is used to specify title of the web page. Second is body tag, which contains all the text content that is to be displayed on web page, and all the various formatting and structural tags. So all the various formatting and structural tags are basically written in the body tag. And in this question, one thing is also given, that you have to write structural as well as formatting tags, both tags, both type of tags. And then third is h1 tag. Obviously heading is there, you can easily see that. First of all, wedding planner is a heading, you can easily see that. So wedding tag is there, and it is center aligned, so we can say that center tag is also there. Okay, but we don't write it center tag because we align it without a tag also. So it is not a mandatory tag that is used in this web page. Second is HR tag. Basically, it is used to separate content or define or change. You can easily see that in the web page, a line is there, and that separate the heading to the other portion. That line is, and that is used by HR tag. That is also called as horizontal ruler. So HR tag is also used in this web page. Now let us see other tags. So now till now we just write four tags. So HR tag is used to separate content or define a change. Then image is there, so image tag, img tag must be used. So it is used to insert an image, as we know that img tag is used to insert an image. Then this data is in, you can easily see that whatever we write in this paragraph, then this data give a chance to make your wedding unforgettable. Obviously, this data is differ from the rest part of the paragraph, that is choose from a list of some popular themes or creator on themes, and this is a part of that paragraph, so it is not a heading. Okay, it looks like a heading, but it is not a heading, because it is a part of that paragraph. So it is clearly indicate that bold tag is used. Bold tag is used for that line. And so we use the B tag. B represent the used to represent bold the text. Then at last four tags are there related to table. You can easily see that these are table, caption, TR and TD. Okay, so we got four at four tag related to table. You can easily see that table is used to create a table first of all. Second, caption tag is used to provide caption of the table. Third is TR is used to create a table look, and fourth TD is used to define table cells. Table cells. So four tags related to table are there also there. In case of table, it is also possible that the first row represent the table header. If it is so, then we use TS tag, but in this case it is not so. So TS tag is not used. So basically what happens that whenever there is a table in a web page and we have to identify the tags that are used in that web page, then related to table at least 3 to 5 tags must be there. Okay, so we have to just identify them and just write the purpose of the tag that are used to create a table. So this is type of question is asked so many number of times in our examination, that identify different tags, whether they are structural or whether they are formatting tags. So in most of the question there should be an image, a heading must be there, and a table must be there, and sometimes link must be there. And we have to we just identify the link when we see a word that is underlined. So most probably that may be a heading, and we see the content, what type of content it reflects. Then most of the cases it is found that it is a link. So in such type of questions, h1 tag, image tag, table tag, tr, td, th, and caption tag, these type of tags are mostly used. Few tags are basically differ, such as in this case when we compare it with the previous question that we discussed in our last lecture, bold tag is used. So and hr tag is also there because horizontal ruler is used in this web page. So such types of tags are also used. So you have to identify those tags that are used in that web page and just write them with their purpose for what they intend for. Now our next question. I think it is clear to all of you, or now you are, I think you are all of you are capable to answer such type of questions. And this type of question is asked so many number of times in the examination, almost every year. This type of one question of such type of questions is asked in your final examination, and this question is asked in CBSE 2012. So in 2012 it is asked. So question will be changed, but the format of or the type of the question will remain same. So I hope this type of question is again asked in this year for the session 2020-21. So hopefully prepare for that and practice for such type of questions. That will give you a good marks. Now next question you can easily see here, that observe the following web page. Observe the following web page and write HTML code to generate it. So there is a web page and we have to generate that web page using HTML, and this question is asked in CBSE 2016. Okay, in such type of question, first of all just read the content of the web page, whatever we are given in that web page. After that, identify the text, and when you just identify that tag, then write the coding for that tag. And one thing is also there, that different instructions are also given regarding to that web page. In this question, these instructions are also given, such that the title of the web page is a clean linus, link color is green, font style of the page is Arial, heading of the page is maroon, image used is clean.jpg, table border is 2px and border color is red, a link color for bottom message is contact.html. Now look at the web page. See, first of all, there is a title of the web page, then heading is also there. Okay, HR tag is also used. Simply a paragraph is there, and image is also there. But image is left aligned, and by default image is left aligned, and size of image is also very small. So we have to see it also. After that, there is a list. There is a list, and the heading of the list is underlined, and that is not a link because it says that factor affecting the environment. Okay, so italic tag is used, I tag is used, and then after there are different list items, and there are 4 list items, and these are numbered, so we have to use OL, order list, to implement this type of list, and number are also there. So by default order list basically represents different data items using numbers, so no need to use type attribute. And next there is a table, and you can easily see here that caption is also there for table, and different border is also there. You can easily see that actually border is given in the question also, that we have to take 2 pixel border, size of border is must be 2 pixel px, and then we can see that different rows are here, but only a single column. There is only single column in this question. And then after we can easily see that HR tag is there, horizontal ruler, and at last there is a message, and message basically contain a link. Okay, and that message is basically center aligned. So first of all, read the web page carefully, read the content of the web page very carefully, notice all the things that are given in that web page. After that, see the instructions, what are the different types of instruction must be there. So if you miss anything, then that is covered by that instructions, and according to that instruction and the content of the web page, you have to make a web page. So in this question it is see easy, it is clearly, this question clearly indicate that title of the web page is clean liness, and it is also given in the web page. Link color is green, it is not visible, so we have to make the link color green. Next, font style for the page is Arial. Okay, heading of the page is maroon, image used is clean.jpg. The image that is used in this web page uh, is clean.jpg. Always remember that whenever there is an image in a web page, name of the image must be given in question, and you have to just write that image name in your web page designing. If you choose any other name, then marks will be deducted according to that. Now let's talk about the table. So table border is 2 pixel and border color is red. It is also given that border color must be red, so we have to take border color red, and table border 2px, and link for the bottom message is contact.html. So clearly we can see here that at last at the bottom of the page there is a link, and that link will be open, then contact.html page must be there. Now let's start this coding part. Now I think all the concepts are very much clear to all of you, that what type of tags are used in this page. So in this type of question, one thing is also very important, and that is when you just write a code for a particular web page and you just apply the tag correctly, then marks will be provided according to that. If you just fail to implement any concept, then marks will be deducted only for that concept or only for that tag. Suppose this question is of 10 marks, then if you fail to implement the image, then the part of the marks related to the image part will only be deducted and others will be given. So just try to attempt this type of questions and practice on this type of questions. When you just make a practice on this type of question, you see that you gain a confidence about web page designing, and almost all pages are same. There must be most of the pages contain an image, a paragraph, a list, a link, and a table. A heading or HR tag must be there. So this type of tags are commonly used to design a web page. So practice on such type of tags. It will give a clear idea to how to write a code in HTML. Okay, now it's time to write a code. So as you know that first tag or the root tag is HTML. So first of all, write the HTML tag here. After that, heading tag must be used because there is a title and the title is cleanliness and title is given within the heading tag. And then close the head tag and the body. Always remember that whenever you want to give a background color or you want to give a color of a link, then that type of attributes related to background or a link must be given within the body tag. So here it is clearly indicate that link must be green, so we just write link is equal to green. No background color is there, so we don't use bg color here. Bg color basically attribute is used to show background color. Now base font face is equal to face is Arial. It is also given here in this question that the font face is Arial, so we just mention it with base font tag, and face is equal to face Arial. Face is basically a attribute of it, and Arial is the value that is given in the question. Then after heading tag, and heading tag font color of the font must be maroon, that is given in the question. And to implement font color maroon, we use a tag font inside heading tag, because without using font tag we are not capable to color to give a color of a heading. Second thing is that you also use CSS style tag to represent the internal cascading style sheet, but in this question it is not clearly indicated that you have an option to clear. You have an option to make this program using CSS. So just write simple HTML coding for that purpose. Otherwise, you can use CSS coding also to implement this. Next, we clearly web page clearly indicate that heading is center aligned. So we use a center tag here. Okay, and then we just close heading tag. It means that all the content and content of the heading is important of cleanness is now at the center of the web page, and also color is maroon. So we use font and center tag inside the heading tag to implement this type of code. Next, there is a horizontal ruler. So a line is there to separate the heading and the rest part of the web page. So HR tag must be there. We write HR tag here, which represent horizontal ruler. Okay, till now we implement only that part of the web page. I will make it clear. title. Okay, we implement here till now title, heading and HR tag. Now it's time to implement the image. So to implement the image, img tag must be used. Okay, let us see. Img tag is there. Img tag, and with src attribute we just give the file name, and the file is clean.jpg. Okay, it is clearly, we can clearly see that align image is left align, so we use align is equal to left here, and we also set height and width according to that, because height and width of the image is very small, so we just make height and width according to that. And after that there is a paragraph. Now look at the paragraph. One thing is very clear, that it is aligned in a very proper manner. There is a space from left hand side and also from right hand side, so it is a justified alignment. It is justified alignment is there, so we just use p align justified, and then write the content of the paragraph. That is the content of the paragraph. And after the paragraph there is a space between the paragraph and the list, so we use br tag. Br tag is basically used to separate the separate between the used to basically separate a paragraph to list in this program. Let us see the web page. Now see here that after the paragraph there is a space. This is a space. Okay, this is a space, so it clearly indicates there is a space, so we use br tag for that purpose. Let us see br tag, and after that order list is used. So for to implement the order list we must use ol tag, and heading of the order list is factor affecting the environment, so we just write factor affecting the environment within ol tag. And okay, hr tag is again used here. Now width is equal to 240 and align is equal to left. Let us see why it is so. Because this heading, because this is not a underlined. Okay, it seems to be underlined, but it is not underlined. Actually there is separation between the, wait a minute, there is a separation between the content or between the list item and the heading of the list, and that separation is done by basically using a line. So we use here factors affecting the environment. You can easily see that after there is a line, so that line basically implement by using hr tag. Okay, it seems that it is underlined, but you can easily see that after that heading there is a proper space. If we use underline tag or u tag, that mean that is directly, that is attached to the that heading, but this is not attached to the heading. We can easily see that there is a gap, and gap is also just after the line and the list item, so it clearly indicates that hr tag is used, because it is the specialty of the hr tag that it, after using the hr tag, it gives a one line space. Okay, before and after one line space, so hr tag is used here. Now Okay, HR tag is used here, and different list items, we can represent different list item using li. So different list items are there, you can easily see that. Industrial activities, vehicles, rapid urbanizations, population overgrowth, and at last we just close order list, and after that order list we just give a br tag, because there is a space between the list and the table. Now it's time to implement the table. So it clearly indicates that table border is 2. It is given in question. Table border is 2. So we just take border is equal to 2. And it is clearly, we can clearly see that table is center align. So we just try to use align is equal to center. Border color must be red. It is given in the question. So we take border color attribute here. And we also take width. Okay, we also take width, specify the width, because we can easily see that the width is not normal in this case. So we just specify the width in terms of the pixel, and after that you can easily see here. Okay, I will give you the idea. Now look at the table. This table has a particular width, you can easily see that. So we just specify width of the table here. Okay, now see the code again. Table has heading, and that heading represented by effects. After that there are certain rows. So rows are represented by tr tag, and the content of the rows are content of the table are basically represented using td tag. So td represent what? Population leading to a number of incurable disease. That is the content of the first row. And in this manner we just write different rows. You can easily see that different rows are created. We just create different rows, and at last we close the table tag. After closing the table tag, okay, again there is a separation, and then we can see that table is separated by a line. So hr tag is used here. You can easily see that in the web page. Line is there, so hr tag is used here to implement this line. Now there is only a single line or single statement, that is center align, and that contain a link. So to implement this part of the web page, we use simply center tag is used first of all to write the content in the center of the web page, and after that there is a line for more details, and click here is basically a link. So we just convert it into a link by using anchor tag. So we just write a, then href. With href attribute we just write the address of the web page, that is contact.html, that is given in the question. And after that just close the center tag, and then body tag, and at last html tag. So this is the question to design a web page. I hope now you are able to understand this type of question and answer them if they are asked in your examination. So first of all, identify the tags, then read the instructions very carefully, that what type of setting is required to design such type of tag, and according to that just implement the web page. Okay, so this is basically a long answer type question and maybe asked in your examination, and this type of question is asked so many number of type of examination. So I hope now you are able to understand this type of question. Thanks for watching this video.